So in this Google Slides tutorial video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to share a presentation with someone in Google Slides here on the Google Slides mobile application. So once you have Google Slides opened up on your device, go into your presentation, and to share it's super simple. At this top bar right here, right in between the play arrow and the plus arrow, there is a human with a plus icon beside that. So sort of in the top middle section right here, go ahead and press on that. Now, where to add people or groups, you can just go ahead and type in John Smith or whatever, whoever the person is you're trying to add. So once that is done, you can go ahead and press on John Smith and then press return. And that is pretty much how you do it. It's pretty straightforward after that. So that is pretty much how you guys can share a presentation with somebody in Google Slides, or maybe even multiple people for that matter, whatever the case may be. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helped.